You may say to yourself, holy Toledo, Batman, I don't have a mask. What am I going to do? Well, if you're home, can't do this if you're on the road, but you could in an emergency. If you take one of your sleeves on your shirt, that maybe for some reason you have an old shirt that you don't want, and you cut it down, if you wear a V-neck, it kind of scuffs right in there, but look, you can use it as a mask, and it looks like those ones that everyone's using out there. And in the winter, and even in the summer, you can't tell any difference. You don't have to pay like 10 bucks for the sleeve of an arm, which is basically what it is, and it actually looks kind of cute. So, I actually have a mask, but I wanted to show you guys what you could do, and even if you wore it to work like that, no one would even know the difference. You know, you just kind of tuck it in and smile, smile. But actually, we're going to go out and get some creamer for our coffee, because we don't have a lot of snow here right now, but it's going to come, and then we're going to be loaded down for bear. So I thought I would show you this, which I'm going to probably throw this in my purse for an emergency, but it does, it holds up too. And in the winter, believe me, it's cold, so you'll be thankful. So there you guys go. Remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless.